Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in Messenger. First of all, and of course, you'll need a Messenger application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign up or sign in to create your account. But if you do have an account, just ignore all of that and log in, and let's get straight to Messenger. So first of all, if you want to create a group chat on Messenger, all we need to do after entering Messenger, just click on the pen icon on the top right corner. As you can see, if I click there, I'll find here a new message. As you can see, again, we have here create a new group. If you click on that, you'll just need to add participants. So for me, as an example, or for you, you'll have your friends here. You should add whatever or whoever you want to be in this group. So let's say, for example, you want to send a message to a lot of groups of people that you want to go out with. So you don't want to send a message to one by one. All you need to do, just go here and search for your friends. Maybe your friends are named like this. Just add random people. Maybe this. Maybe if you want to add Nelson, just add. After that, all you need to do, just click on next, and all you need to do here, just name your group. So maybe if you're going outside, name it picnic or whatever you want. So all of after naming your, or let's just name it hello. After naming your group, all you need to do, just click on create, and you will be creating your group chat on Messenger. Now you'll be able to type a message, and both of them or all of you on and this group will be able to read this message. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching it. Goodbye.